Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, i-share ko sa inyo how to register in PhilHealth Consulta.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Visit mo lang ang PhilHealth online. Online services, member portal. Kung meron ka ng account, click login. Kung wala naman, kindly check my other video regarding PhilHealth account creation. Enter your PhilHealth number. Password. Enter the number shown above. Log in. On the left side, click Consulta. Consulta Provider, click here to select Consulta Provider. Makikita mo dito yung mga Consulta Provider with address. Dito sa end column, nandyan yung available. So, mag-select ka ng Consulta Provider or healthcare facility nearest to your address. Or dito sa baba, pwede ka mag-search other Consulta Provider. Province, Sapen Metro Manila, City or Municipality, Quezon City for example. Again, search. Ito yung mga Consulta Provider or healthcare facility nearest to Quezon City. Marami siyang tabs. Magtiyagaan nyo lang guys para makahanap kayo ng nearest to your place. Ito, Quezon City Government Bago Bantay Health Center for example. I-click ko lang. May period covered until December 31 of this year. Kasi every year nire-renew yan eh. Tapos, are you sure you want to proceed? Yes. Consulta registration successful. Sa member information mo, nakalagay na dito yung Consulta Provider.